I need to reach this every trip, and I need to say the word. Can't stop me cause I'm impossible. There is nothing I can't do when danger comes. That I am on my, know that I am. Doesn't matter where or when there's trouble. If you just come my name, can't possible. Call me, get me if you wanna reach me. If you wanna reach me, then I will be there for you till the very end. I'm danger, I'm trouble, I'm there on the double. You know that you always can call, can't possible. Call me, beat me. Oh, I stopped it. As you saw in the title, yes, we are doing Kim Possible. I'm so excited. Like, nostalgia. Alright, so Kim Possible was hands down one of my favorite Disney Channel shows when I was a kid. This is super iconic, this look. It's very simple, actually. All you have to do is get a turtleneck that I already have, black, and I bought cargo pants from Halara. I hope I said that right. And I just got a wig off Amazon that's like dark orange. I didn't want it to be bright orange because it just would look really off on me, at least. So I just got more of like a natural orange, and I can't wait to show you guys how I'm gonna do this look. This is literally just me playing around. Like, you guys know I love to do hair more, but I also love to dabble with makeup here and there. I will be having Kim Possible in the background just to prepare for this huge role I'm going to transform into. Character moment for me. Yes, let's get to it. I already washed my face and did a whole cleansing look. This is like I'm literally gonna do this look for you guys, and then I'm gonna go back to sleep, which kind of sucks. I can't show it off to the world, but maybe this will be like an easy Halloween look that I'll probably do actually if I get invited to a Halloween party. Hopefully, you know, I'm getting old, so nobody has Halloween parties anymore. It sucks, whatever. Okay, so I'm priming my face with the Pore Freshenal, the primer. I feel like this is like a more natural look because Kim Possible is in high school. She's not like in college. Even though in high school some of us did wear a lot of makeup, I was never one to wear that much makeup when I was in high school. So I'm just gonna prime my face. I use my hands. My hair is actually washed, but I put it like in a little bun because I'm gonna put a wig on right over it, so it looks kind of crazy right now, but don't mind it. I'm obviously going to do like how I usually like do my makeup. Oh, I'm so bad. I'm using NARS. This is in the color Macadamia Medium 1.5. NARS is my favorite concealer. I'm not gonna put any foundation on my face, guys, because it is like nighttime and I'm gonna take this off like right after. I'm not going out or anything like that. I can create this look once again if I get into it. These are like where I put, these are the spots where I literally put my concealer. This is like the color I want. I'm not gonna go any lighter because I'm just gonna match my face. Stay tuned for next week. I did just thread my eyebrows, guys. My eyebrows look phenomenal, if I should say. Amazing. Looks so good. I'm not gonna do like thinner eyebrows, but I am gonna do a little bit dark brown eyebrows because Kim's natural color is orange, but I'm not gonna do my eyebrows orange. I'm gonna do probably like a dark brown. This is Anastasia. This is a brow definer, but with the mascara thing. Okay, I'm gonna use my James Charles palette. This palette is so diverse. You use so much colors. Like there's neutrals, there's brights, there's just all of the vibes. The color I'm gonna use is like this dark brown. I took off the thing that doesn't have the names of it, but it's gonna be this dark brown just to put like a little bit on my eyebrows. And I'm using a real, oh! We're gonna end up doing this as a voiceover because Bruce just keeps being so loud outside. Super loud. Okay, so Kim was in high school once again. So I'm gonna go for like a more natural look. No, this is nice. Is that too dark? It's probably too dark. Maybe this? No, it's too close to my color. Okay, we're gonna just do this color right here in the palette. A little bit. And this is actually, the brush that I'm using is one of an old one from one of the other Anastasia palettes. Let's do a little light right here. Okay, that's pretty. It's really pretty. All right, so I blended it out a little bit more. It's a little bit too pink, but I wanted to go for like a warm pink because I feel like that's kind of like what young girls wear when they're in high school, like young pink colors. Is that a thing? All right, eyes are done. I'm gonna do the waterline. This is from L'Oreal Paris, Carbon Black. Once again, KP definitely used blush in high school. Hands down, hands down. I'm gonna use this Make It Pop Power Wear Blush. This is like a nice, kind of like a nice pink. Like, all right. Whoa. Oh my God, that is super pigmented. Oh my God, I did not expect that, guys. You know what? It's okay. It's okay. I did not expect that. What? Power Wear Blush? I'm gonna do some bronzer. I wasn't going to, but I am gonna do some bronzer. This is Fenty Beauty's Island thing. Just a little. I just don't want to look so flat because Kim is, I'll blend it out. My nose a little bit, maybe some here, why not? Okay. Okay guys, don't worry, I'm gonna blend it out. All right, I'm just gonna smoke out my under eyes with the black here a little bit because no, Kim didn't wear that much makeup, but I know her eyes were round, so I just want to make sure my eyes are super round. I tested out some colors. Yes, I did. For the lip. Sorry guys, Bruce is literally outside of my door, so he's being so loud. He's playing with a bone and he does not want to leave. So I had to voice over this part because it's super loud. I used the Bobbi Brown Smoke EI mascara. And this mascara is literally amazing. I stole it from my sister, so don't tell her. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. 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 I am gonna do the lips now. This is the hardest part. When I put any type of concealer on my lips, I like to put lip balm first. All right, we are going to use, I tested out two colors, as you can see. I tested out Cork MAC and Spice by MAC. These two, I think I'm probably gonna mix them together, but this one has like a better... Bruce! Oh my god, my dog is literally right outside playing with a bone. This is driving me crazy. This whole video I'm gonna have to like voice over. I had to mix like a blush powder. I'm using this one because the lip was too light for things. So I'm just using this to make it darker. Okay. I feel like I look like impossible. Hold on. I feel like I'm missing something. I don't know. I forgot the gloves. Okay, I just used winter gloves because I didn't have any gloves on the fly right now. But can't pass it. There's like hair everywhere. I'm not going out, guys. But I got the cargo pants. These pants I'm probably gonna be wearing for other things. All right, guys, and that is it for this week's Halloween Fest video. First of the week. Next week, I cannot wait to show you guys what look is in store for next week. I'm super, super excited. It's definitely more my vibe, but Kim Possible has always been my OG favorite character from Disney. Kim Possible. So what's the sitch? Yeah, Wade. I can't. I actually got my period, so I hear you, but I can't. It's giving me Jessica Rabbit vibes. It's giving me the girl that Goofy has a crush on in the Goofy movie vibes. That's what it's giving me. I feel like I accidentally did something. Instead of Kim Possible, I did Jessica Rabbit / it's giving you the girl that Goofy has a crush on in that movie, the Goofy movie. But you know what? We're gonna work with it. I also feel like I look like the Latina version of Kim Possible. I think I'm gonna be Jessica Rabbit next time. Next year, Jessica Rabbit. Watch out. Watch out, guys. When you try to be Kim Possible and end up coming out as the girl from the Goofy movie that Goofy has a crush on / Jessica Rabbit vibes.
Flex, stop playing with him.